Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
Start with a complete inspection and list every part that needs repair or replacement. Walk the car top to bottom and open every panel and cavity. Photograph rust, dents, missing trim, and mechanical issues for reference and ordering parts. Budget at least $500 and plan roughly 40 hours for an initial restoration phase. Decide whether you will restore to driver condition or full show quality early. Choosing the target determines parts, time, and whether to invest in professional help or buy used parts. Set up a dry, level workspace with 220 square feet and good lighting if possible. Clear space for a vehicle lift or jack stands and ensure 3-5-inch clearance to roll the vehicle on dollies. Assemble essential tools: jack stands, torque wrench, multimeter, socket set, and metal files for bodywork. Label and bag every small fastener to avoid confusion during reassembly. Order parts using part numbers and keep receipts for warranty and budgeting. Create a parts arrival checklist to track shipments and returns efficiently. Drain fluids, oil, coolant, and brake fluid into approved containers for recycling. Use gloves and a drip pan and note fluid condition on your inspection sheet. Remove the battery and store it in a cool, dry place. Tag all wiring with numbered labels to record factory connections and photograph harnesses before disconnecting. Remove wheels and inspect brake lines, fuel lines, and steering for leaks, cracks, or worn fasteners. Replace any hose showing swelling or more than one small crack immediately to ensure safe operation.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.